Today, I prepared Korean soul food, braised spicy chicken. My secret to making it in 20 minutes. Here we go. First, fill a pot with water and bring it to a boil. Once the water is bubbling, carefully add the pre-prepped chicken into the boiling water. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. When you see the impurities rising to the surface, take the chicken out and rinse it thoroughly under clean running water. We do this to get rid of any gamey odors and impurities, ensuring a clean and fresh flavor for the dish. Now, let's make the sauce. Combine 4 tablespoons of soup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tuna fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking rice wine, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili paste. I missed something again this time. I forgot to add the garlic, but surprisingly, once it was finished, it tasted delicious even without the garlic. Give it a good mix. Coat the chicken thoroughly with the sauce and let it marinate for 10 minutes. This 10-minute rest allows the flavors to soak deep into the chicken, ensuring it's seasoned perfectly all the way through. Cut the onion into bite-sized pieces. Adding onions brings out a natural sweetness in the dish. Cut the potatoes into bite-sized pieces, too. For me, the potatoes in the braised chicken are the best part of the whole meal. It tastes amazing when you mash the potatoes and mix them with warm white rice. Next, chop the carrots into bite-sized chunks as well. Carrots are great for your health. They're packed with beta-carotene, which is excellent for your eye health. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Adding oil helps prevent the sauce from burning while you stir-fry it. Heat until the sauce thickens and reduces. Be careful not to let it burn. This process allows the flavors to soak deeply into the chicken for a richer taste. Once the sauce has reduced to your liking, pour in 400 milliliters of water, add the potatoes and carrots, and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, cover the pot and let it cook for another 10 minutes. When it's ready, add the onions, green onions, Cheongyang chili peppers, and black pepper. Then, cover and simmer on low heat for 5 more minutes. You can skip the chili peppers and black pepper depending on your preference. Our delicious spicy braised chicken is finally ready. Shall we dig in? It tastes absolutely amazing when you mash the potatoes and mix them into your white rice. The sauce has soaked perfectly into the meat, and it's so delicious. Trust me, this is the best spicy chicken ever. Thumbs up! Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It really supports the channel. See you again in the next video with an even better recipe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.